Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Affairs. Today we are going to talk about the filter method in JavaScript. It is generally used to filter the element in an array based on some specific condition. We will look few examples so that you would have a better insight of filter method at the end of this video. So without any delay, let's get started. Okay, so this is the numbers array that is 1 to 10 has been given to us. Okay, and we have to perform some tasks. The first task is to find the even number and save that even number in an array. Okay, so how we can perform this task? Okay, so we have to write a filter method. First we have to write a output array. Okay, now we have to apply the filter method in the numbers array. Okay, now and in which we have to pass the fallback function, that is even. Okay, now we have to write a is even function, that is function is even and x and return x mod 2 equal to 0. Okay, so basically how filter function actually work, actually it will check the condition. Okay, so start with the even number. Suppose it will take the first value from here and it is given to the x, and it will check the condition x mod 2. So the condition would be false. In case of condition false, it will simply move to the next element. Okay, it will not save anything. Now it will move to the next, that is 2. It will take 2 from here to this, and it will check again whether it is giving, whether it is true or false. Now condition is true. In that case, what it will actually do, it will save the 2 in the output array. Okay, it will save the 2 into the output array. Okay, it will do the same thing for the third element. It will take it 3 and give it to the x, and it will again check the condition. If now the condition will be false, now it will not going to save anything and move forward. And again it will take 4 given to the x, and it will check again 4 more 2. Now it is, the condition is true. Now the 4 is going to save in the output array. Okay, so this is the way the filter method is actually work. Actually it will check the condition. If the condition is true, it will save. If the condition is false, it will not going to save any element in the output array. So now we have to print out the output. We just have to print out the output. Okay, we just print out the output and let's see whether it is giving me a expected output or not. Yes, expected output would be even number. Okay, now we are getting the even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We can also perform the odd number. Okay, we can also perform odd number. We have to just change the fallback function name. Okay, and we also change the condition, and the condition would be not equal to 0. Okay, now we have to see the output. Okay, the order. Now we can also perform the div by 3 task, that is 3. We have to change the callback function also here. Okay, and for div by 3 we have to change the condition 2, that would be x mod 3 equal to 0. Now it will check whether it is giving me a correct output or not. Okay, okay, we are getting the 3 output, that would be divisible by 3, 6 and 9. Okay, we can also simplify this array method. Okay, by inside this method we can also keep this function inside this callback function like this. Okay, and we can also simplify this function with the help of arrow function. We just have to remove this function. Okay, and we have to remove the curly braces, and we also remove the return. Okay, okay, we have to put the arrow operator. Okay, so it will give me the exact output as of now we are getting now. Okay, let's check it. Okay, most of the student got confused about this arrow function, how it actually work. It will take each element from the numbers array which we define here. Okay, as we written down the number dot filter, so what it will do, it will do the filter, apply the filter method to this number array, and it will check each element one by one from here and given to the x, and then x mod 3 equal to 9, and if the condition is true, in case that one is going to save in the output array. Okay, so I explain you a bit deeply with the help of arrow function. I'm going to explain you about the is even function. Okay, or about this function. Okay, just change to the odd. Okay, now we are going to see how it's actually work in case of even number. Okay, so we have to take three elements. Okay, okay, these are the six elements, and we have to find the even number from this array. Okay, in the first case, what it actually do, it will take one from here and it will given to one, and it will check the condition. Okay, since one, this condition become false, since one is not going to give me 0, so that one is not going to save in this array. Okay, now it move out to 2. 2 is given to the x. Now x mod 2 equal to 0. The condition is true. In that case, this 2 is going to save in the next array. Okay, now it will take 3 given to the this function, and now it will check 3 by 2 equal to 0. Now the condition is false, it will not going to save anything and simply move out to 4. Now 4 is given to x. Now x is check the condition to 2, that is 4 mod 2 equal to 0, means the condition is true, means the 4 value will going to save here. Okay, now again it will take 5 given to here, check the condition, and the condition is false, it's not going to do anything, it will just simply move forward. Now it will take 6 given to the x, and now 6 mod 2 equal to 0, that is the true, so that the 6 is going to add in this array. Now we have to check the output whether we are getting the same output or not. Okay, now we are getting the same output we are expecting. Okay, I hope that you understand the concept of the filter method. Okay, so that's it for this video. We have covered the basic of how to use filter array and create new array based on specific condition. We have looked some example using the filter method, and I hope you have a better understanding of how to use this method in your own project. And you have any question or feedback, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more video. Thanks for watching.